What is up, y'all? I am going to make a quick video on how to deploy your Create React app to GitHub Pages because it is more complicated than it should be. So what I did is I just created a brand new Create React app. So that is all this right here, all my stuff I need in there. And I called it Deploy Me. So I'm going to go into my Deploy Me right now. So in this case, cool. Let's open it up. And over here you can see this is just a completely basic Create React app made from scratch. So now let's go first let's git initialize that. So we'll say git init, and we're going to say git add, git commit, add stuff. Sweet. So we don't have a remote yet. So let's go over to GitHub, and I'm going to make a new repository. And this is where it's going to go to. So in this case, I'm going to call this deploy. I'm not going to do anything at all. So I'm going to say create repository, and it's going to give me my git remote address. So I'm going to go back, and I am going to go in, and I'm going to push git remote add origin, and I'm going to paste that in. And now I've got my remote. So git push origin master. I don't know what I did to reset this to make me do that, but I gotta fix it. Cool. So now that's pushing up, and now my things are stored inside of Deploy Me. Yay, so there's all my stuff. So now we have to install GitHub Pages. I'm going to say npm install gh pages. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, wait while it goes, then I'm going to run a yarn install. Don't worry about any of those errors. That's on my side. Let's go. Okay, so yarn install. So let's let this run. And in the meantime, I'm going to, actually I'll wait for this to go. This is going to take up most of the time in my video. Cool. So in my package.json now, I've got GitHub Pages, and I'm going to need a couple new things. One that I'm going to need is homepage. So homepage, and then this is going to point to wherever I sent that to. So colon, mine is going to be bumblelord.github.io/deploy. I believe that's right. Yeah, deploy. Cool. So we all know that that's how we do the branching on our master branch for GitHub Pages. This is going to automatically do it, though. We don't actually have to go in and physically do that ourselves. So besides that, we've got to add a couple of new scripts. So I'm going to do one called pre-deploy. And pre-deploy is going to run, npm run build. And then I'm also going to need one called deploy. And this is the one that is going to call on my GitHub Pages. So we're going to say gh pages d build. Sweet. So that's that. And that's totally done. So now in this case, I can go back to here, and I can run npm run deploy. And it's going to run the build and the pre-deploy and the deploy and make all the stuff that I need. Hey, look, there goes my build folder. Right there, just chilling. Username. This is annoying. I'm going to have to go fix this afterwards. But please don't guess the keystrokes. All right, deploy me. So now this should be deployed right here. Let's go to this. And there's my site. So that is as simple as it is. I know they may have given you some really bad instructions, but I give you good instructions because I'm a good teacher. And I care about each and every one of you. So in this case, that's it. You can follow this exactly for anything with Create React app. If you are having issues, try to go back and make a new repository and try it from the beginning like this, by git initializing and then adding the remote to your creator. All right. Peace out, y'all. Oh, it's still recording.